This afternoon sees me in Worcestershire, over in a place called Hanbury. The reason why I'm here is I'm about to do the Hanbury Circular walk, and that's a 6.5 mile circular route around the village of Hanbury, taking in all the sights and delights that Hanbury has to offer. The route itself is fairly flat, with a few rises here and there, taking in the canal, some fields, and also a National Trust property, Hanbury Hall. The whole walk itself should take me between 3 and 4 hours depending, and it starts off here in the Gateway car park on the B4090. Now usually this car park is a paying car park and it doesn't take any cash, so you have to use the app, but today parking seems to be free. So without further ado, let's go and have a walk. Well, this gate marks the anti-clockwise route, but in reality it's the end of this particular walk. I haven't got that far to go, to be fair. Just down the canal back to the car park. Great way to spend a couple of hours of your afternoon. And in these strange times, doing a walk like this just breaks up the year. So if you've got a couple of hours spare and you're in Worcestershire, the Hanbury Circular walk, give it a go.